Namaste students. Now let us start with the next topic, that is accounting treatment of goodwill. By now you have understood how to calculate the goodwill. But now how to account the goodwill in our books of firm, like that now we are going to see in this topic. See, goodwill can be given by the new partners to the old partners in three ways. Either the new partner gives the goodwill to the old partners privately. Privately means that they are not going to record them in the firm's book. So no accounting treatment we have to do. Please note down, whenever the new goodwill has been given by the new partner to the old partner through private sources, then we don't pass any entry. Correct? Now the next case is when the new partner brings goodwill in cash. So now this is the case which we need to understand. When the new partner brings goodwill in cash, so what entries we have to pass? First of all, as I told you that whenever a new partner joins the firm, he has to bring some capital as well as goodwill, correct? So the entry for introducing capital would be cash account will be debited, and now he is going to get some capital also. So cash account debited to capital account, and then some amount of goodwill he is bringing in cash. So whatever goodwill the new partner brings in cash will be shown in a newly opened account known as premium for goodwill. This way we are going to pass the entry. Fine. Now, as I told you that this goodwill is the amount of money which the new partner has to give to the old partners, right? So, in order to compensate them, so we are going to pass the entry premium for goodwill account will be debited, and we are going to give it to the old partners. Okay, old partners account. Now in which ratio we have to give? The ratio in which they have sacrificed their share of profits for the new partner. So it means that this premium for goodwill will be given to the old partners in sacrificing ratio. In this ratio, the new partner will compensate some amount of money to the new partners. So now let's solve a question so that we can understand this concept well. So now let's solve a numerical so that we can understand that concept. The question is, Vijay and Sanjay were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 2:3:2. Okay, it means Vinay and Sanjay are partners, ratio is 3:2. They admit to decide Ajay. Ajay is going to join the firm for 1/4 share. Ajay is going to bring rupees 30,000 for capital and 20,000 for premium for goodwill. And now on the account of Ajay's admission, the new profit sharing ratio becomes, this is the old ratio now, so the new profit sharing ratio becomes 2:1:1, and Ajay is going to get the capital of rupees 30,000 and goodwill of rupees 20,000. So now let's see how we have to solve this question. First of all, you have to pass the first entry, that is cash account debit, as cash is coming into the business, to new partner is Ajay, so to Ajay's capital account and to premium for goodwill. Correct? Ajay is going to get the capital of rupees 30,000, 20,000 as his share of goodwill, so total is 50,000. Now this premium for goodwill will be given to the old partners, that is Vijay and Sanjay, right? So you are going to write it like this: to Vijay's capital account to Sanjay's capital account. Okay. Now we have to give them goodwill of rupees 20,000. As I told you that this goodwill we are going to give to the old partners in sacrificing ratio. So let us calculate sacrificing ratio first of all. Formula is old ratio minus new ratio. So first of all, Vijay's old share is 3/5, new is 2/4. So let's solve. It comes to 12 minus 10, 2/20. And if I calculate for, this is for Vijay, if I calculate for Sanjay, it will be old share minus 2/5, new share 1/4. If I solve it, it will come to 8 minus 5, that is 3/20. So here the sacrificing ratio becomes 2/3. So now we have to divide this 20,000 in the ratio 2/3. So Vijay's share becomes 20,000 into 2/5. So if you solve it, it will come to 8,000. And Sanjay is going to get 12,000. Now this way we are going to pass the entry. Now suppose if Sanjay and Vijay they want to retain this amount of money in the business, then no further entry we are going to pass. But if they want to withdraw the whole of the goodwill, like whatever share they have got, if they want to withdraw whole of it, then we are going to pass the entry Vijay's capital account debit, Sanjay's capital account debit to cash, because they are going to take this money out of the business, right? So this entry, so it will be 8,000 and 12,000, that is 20,000. So suppose if they want to withdraw the half of it, then the amount here would have been 4,000 and 6,000. So I hope this concept is clear to you. When the new partner brings the goodwill in,